Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So the list data type we are discussing today. Also I will discuss few more important point about the list. So before starting the today sessions, let us have a look on the previous class, what we have exactly discussed and what thing we need to discuss today, right? So this is the last class discussion, mutable operation in the list. Mutable operation means we have to add, we can add some element, we can replace some element, and we can delete some element from a list. So list giving these many features, the list data types giving these many features, we can modify the data in a list. So adding or inserting of element we are discussing in the last class. These are the several three methods. Okay, these are the several three methods. One is append, one is insert, another is by using slicing concept. Append method already in the last class I discussed with some suitable examples and some program also I had written. Today I am going to discuss this topic, insert method, right? Insert method today we will study here. By using the insert also we can add, or one element can be entry into a list, right? So by using, I'll write here using insert method, one element can be added to a list. Okay, to a list. 1 minute. Element added to a list at a specified positions. Okay, at any specified position, at any position. But in by using append only it is possible to add the element at the end of the list. Okay, na? End of the list, by end of the list only append, by using append we can add, but insert we can use to add the element at the beginning also, at the end also, at the any position, middle any position also we can add the element. So here, what is the syntax of insert? Syntax of the insert is what? List name dot insert. Okay, dot insert, inside the bracket I will write here position, any position, or index we can write position comma element or value, right? This is the syntax. Suppose examples are I will give. Suppose directly I will give the programmatic example here by writing the programs. Suppose my list L equal to bracket start 10 comma 20 comma 30, right? 10 comma 20 comma 30. Now what is the L value, sir? L value is 10 20 30. I initially a list I created having three elements 10 20 30. Now I am trying to insert, sir, what position, sir? At the beginning, zero index position, comma, value suppose 8 I want to enter. Observe. Now element added. What is the value? Now 8 is added at the beginning of the list because this is the zero place. So index position I have given here 0. In the same way, suppose I will add L dot insert. Okay, L dot insert. Suppose at the third position I want to add, suppose element, suppose 69. Okay, 69. Observe here, L value is what? 69 added or not? Third position. Third position means 0, 1, 2, third position, 69 added. Okay, suppose I want to add the element at the last. L dot insert. Okay, L dot insert last index. Okay, last index is what here right now? 0 1 2 3 4. That means 5. Okay, 5 comma, suppose 89 I want to add. Observe, sir, what is added? L equal to how much? 89 added at the end or not? So here the last index, last value, exact value you can give, or more than that value also if you give, no error will become. By default, the element will be added to the end of the list. Suppose, meaning is what? L dot insert. Suppose I am writing here position is 12, but actually the 12 position is not in this list. 12 position is not there in the list because this is 0 1. Okay, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5. Then next element will be added at the sixth position, but here I am position giving 12th positions. Okay, now if I am giving some position which is beyond the capacity of list or beyond the position of list, then no problem, no error will be formed. Rather, that particular element by default it will be added to the end of the list. Suppose the value I am giving 95, 12th position. See, no error. But where it is added? Exactly after the 89, that means sixth position, the element is added. But position, what I have indicated here, sir, 12th. So insert function never give any error if you are giving a position value beyond its limit, right? So this is the some suitable examples of insert functions, sir. What is the basic difference between insert and append? I told append, by using append we can add the element at the end of the list, whereas by using this one insert method, element can be added at any position. Okay, at any position of the list. So this is the example, sir, of the list. Right. Okay, next is what? Next, nothing is there in the list. Suppose one more example I will give, observe carefully. What is the benefit of this adding the element by using list? The benefit is that's only at a specified position. Okay, I can add a particular element here. That is the benefit only here, right? Suppose my list having name, suppose list 1, it contains like this, some value is contained. Suppose sun comma rises, right? Ses, rises comma in comma in the east, right? Sun rises in the east, like this. My list contain how many string? Sun is one string, rises is one string, in is one string, the and east is one string. Observe carefully, sir. What the list value here? List one value is what? See, sun rises in the list. But actually, the statement, this particular sentence should be started. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. That means I should add a the at the beginning of the list. Then what I will write? Very simple, sir. List one dot insert. Append method here it will not work because I will add at the beginning of the list. So 0 is the index position value. Now see what is the list one become here. See, the sun rises in the list. So one more example I gave on the insert function, insert method. Very easy to understand this concept also, right? Okay. Next, sir, next topic is what? Slicing. How to add the element to the list by using the slicing concept, I will tell. Okay. How to add the element by using slicing concept, I will tell here. Okay. See, already the slicing concept, what is the meaning of slicing, we have already discussed. Slicing, how it is implemented in the program by using the slice operator, colon symbol, right? The colon symbol is required to implement the concept of slicing. So remember here, by using this concept only, okay, I'll write here, it is used to add, it is used to add more than one element, more than one element. Okay, by using the append method, by using the insert method, only one element in one attempt, one element in one time, one element can be added. But by using slicing, at a time more than one element, how many element you want to add, that much element we can add by the slicing concept. So it is used to add more than one element, but one problem is there. What is the problem? It can only add, it can be added only at the beginning. Okay, at the beginning of the list. I cannot add three element at a time or four element at a time at the middle portion or at the end portions. Only we can add more than one element at the beginning of the list. Okay, na? Beginning, BGINING, right? ING, beginning of the list. Okay. Now, see, sir, what is the syntax here? How to write like this? Syntax is, so only at the beginning, syntax is list name bracket start 0 0, right? 0 0 equal to how many element you want to add, element 1 comma element 2 comma element 3, like this you can add n number of element at the beginning. This is the syntax. Observe, I will give some example here, suitable example for this one. Sir, I'm writing here L equal to, what is the L value right now? Already L is there, L value is L value in the previous example. Right now my current L value is 8, 10, 20, 69, 300, 30, 89, 95. Now I want to add three elements at a time, three element. My three element is suppose 100, 200 and 300. What I'll write, sir? Okay, what I will write here, list name is L bracket start 0 colon 0 equal to how many element you want to add, sir? I want to add three element, 100, 200, 300, right? You can add n number of element, but right now my requirement I will add three element. Observe, L value is what? Now see where it is added, sir. At the beginning of the list added or not? 100, 200, 300, then 8, 10. So at a time three element added. By which concept, sir? By using the slicing concept, right? By using the slicing concept also we can add the element to the list. So this is the example for this one, right? I told by using this only at the beginning it is possible, at the end, at the middle it is not possible. If we'll try to add at the middle, at the end of end, then what will be happen, you know? The particular place, in that particular place, what is the old number are available, that will be replaced. Okay, it will not add, rather it will be replace the old element with the new element if we'll try to add the element at the middle or at the end of the list. So only it can be used to add the element at the beginning of the list. So these are the several methods Mutable operations, I mean addition of element or insertion of element into a list by using append, by using insert, and by using slicing concept. Next topic, next one more mutable operations I will tell, that is what? Updatations. Updatations of list or update of the list. Update means replace. I will replace some. Okay, I'll writing this one. Correct what? Replacing element in the list. Replacing element in a list. Right? Replacing element in a list. Again, here by using two method we can do. Okay, two way or two approach is there to do this concept or to implement this concept in the programs. What is the two method means here? I'll write here. Okay, so I'll write elements in a list can be replaced by two ways or in two ways. Right? Replaced in two ways. What are the two ways? Number one, by indexing. By indexing. Number two, by slicing. Okay, most important, the slicing concept everywhere it is used, by indexing and by slicing. By indexing concept you know, by slicing concept also you know already. So by indexing, what is the syntax here? By indexing, first one I will tell what is the syntax by indexing. List name. Okay, list sorry, list name inside the bracket, position, in which position you want to replace, list name position equal to new element, right? New element. I will give the example here, don't worry for that. So this is the syntax, list name position equal to new element. New element here, no need of bracket. Why I have given bracket here? Bracket not required here. New element, because by indexing only at a time one element we can replace, but by slicing we can replace n number of elements, right? Here I will write by, okay, it can replace only one element can be replaced. Here by using slicing, more than one element can be replaced in one attempt or at a time can be replaced. Now see, I will give for the indexing how this indexing is working, or how the by indexing concept element can be replaced here. Observe carefully, sir. Why I am writing, suppose L equal to bracket start 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 30 comma 40, four elements, sir. Now four elements means this is 0 index, this is 1 index, this is 2 index, and this is 40 is for 3 index, right? 0 1 2 3 4. Now suppose I want to replace this 30 with 300, then what I will write, sir? This 30 is in which position, sir? 0 1 and 2, the index number is 2. Then what I will write? L of 2 equal to 300. Okay, L of 2 equal to 300. Now observe the L value. 30 is replaced with this 30 is replaced with what? 300 or not? So by indexing we can replace only one element, right? We can replace only one element by the indexing. So it can be replaced the beginning of the list, the end of the list, the middle of the list, at any position of the list we can replace it happily. Okay, now observe, I will add this one to the note. Control V. This is the, suppose sir I am giving the index value here. Suppose how many index right now, sir? 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose I will give a index which is exceeds the limit of the index, beyond the limit of the index, then immediately error will come. Suppose L of 8, but actually in this L list L, 8 index is not there. Up to 3 index is there, which value is 40, but I'm giving 8 equal to, suppose I want to write there 54. Okay, na? L of 8 equal to 54. Observe what is coming? Error. List assignment index out of range. Like very beautifully this statement is showing, because 8 index is not available there, right? So if the index you are giving out of the range, then immediately error will be formed. I will add this one also. Okay. Here I will write, if index is out of range, then error will be displayed. Right? Error will be displayed, and this is the example here. Right? Now nothing is there, this much only the concept here. Now coming to the slicing part, what is the syntax for the slicing here? Syntax for slicing. Okay, what is the syntax for slicing? Observe here. I will write here L of start colon stop. Okay, L of start colon stop equal to, or start stop. Okay, equal to, you can give the elements, element 1, element 2, comma element 3. Like this it will go. Okay, so here suppose example I will give here, some specific number of element it can be added. Suppose start is 0, stop is suppose 3. Start is 0, stop is suppose 3. That means it can add only 3 elements. Okay, see I will show you. Suppose example I will give, L of start is 0, stop is 3. Then how many elements I can add? I can add 3 element only. Element 1, element 2, and element 3 only. Element 4 I cannot give, because 0 to 3 stop value will be not include. No, stop value will be not include. Then index is what? 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, but 3 is not include here. Okay, this 3 is not included here. 1 minute. Okay, this 3 will be not included here. That's why only 3 element we can add here. Only 3 element we can add. This 3 will be not included, right? So see, observe example I will give here, some programmatic example here. Suppose my list is 10, comma 20. Okay, 10, comma 20 comma 30, three elements are there. Now I'm writing, sir, L of 0 colon 2. Okay, 0 colon 2. So how many elements? 0 colon 2 means index 0, 1 and 2. Stop value 2, but stop value will be not include. So two element I can add it. Suppose one element is 60, another element is 80. Right? Now see what is the L value. L value printed 60, 80, 30 replaced. Totally replaced. Which one is replaced? 10, 20 is replaced. Okay, 10, 20 is replaced with 60 and 80. Okay, 10, 20 is replaced with 60 and 8. Suppose I will give, okay, I'll add this one first to the note. Right. Suppose now, right now, L value is what? 60, 80, 30. Now suppose I will replace L 0, 2. I will give here value, suppose 100, 200, and one more value I am giving 300. Right? 1, 2, 300. Right? Observe here. What is coming? L value. So 300 is added here. Okay, one more number is added here. But 30 is replaced? 30 not replaced. Right? Three element I have given. 30 is not replaced. Only 0th place replaced and first place replaced. That means 60, 80 is replaced with 100 and 200, and 300 is added, but 30 is not replaced. Right? If you are giving the more elements, but as per the range, as per the start and stop value you have given here, based on that only the number of element from the left side it is going to be replaced, and extra element will be added to the list. Right? So this is the example here. Control V. Right? So now see, sir, negative, some reverse order example I will give. Suppose right now, sir, what is my L value? My L value is this. L value I am taking. L value is what? 100, 200, 300, and 30. Now if I'll write here L of minus 3, this one, right? L of minus 3, and stop value I have not given here. Minus 3 means, sir, which position? Minus 3 means this is minus 1, this is minus 2, and this is minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 is the starting point. And remember, whenever I'm not giving any stop value, by default, sorry, step value, not stop value, step value, by default step value is 1, and stop value I'm not giving means by default the stop value is the end of the list. End of the list is which one? 30. And here step value is also not there, step value is 1, 1, 1. So first minus 3 position will be selected. That means 200 will be selected. Then step value will be increased 1. That means minus 3. Okay, I will explain this one through this note. Suppose what right now my L value is, suppose L value is 10, 20, 30, 40. Right? So this is 0 indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, and negative side right to left minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. Okay, I'm writing here L of minus 3. I'm writing like this. Here no stop value and no step value. When no stop value is there, by default the stop is the end of the list, 40, and step is 1. Step is 1. So minus 3. Sir, which position? Minus 3 is 20 position. Now next value will, what will come? Minus, step value is 1. Step value is 1. So minus 3 plus 1. What is the value? Minus 2. So next value will become 30. Minus 2 position, that means 30. Again next value will come. Again step value is 1. So minus 2 plus 1. It become minus 1. What is the minus 1 value? 40. Right? So if I'll write like this, so these three elements will be selected. And now I want to replace with 200, 300 and 400. So 20 will be replaced with 200, 30 will be replaced with 300, 40 will be replaced with 400, right? So 10 it will be as it is. So answer will come 10, 200, 300 and 400. Observe here. Suppose here in place of that value, L value is this one. So here if I write minus 3 colon minus 3 colon, then stop value automatically up to 30 and step value is 1 by default. So this 3 value will be changed, right? 200 will be changed. Suppose I want to change it with 101 comma 102 comma 103. If here I will write one more extra value 104. Okay, later I will see. So first of all, let me execute this program, execute this code. What output I am getting? First you observe L value. See, L value changed or not? This 200, 300, 30 is replaced with this value or not? 100, 101, 102, 103. So this is the several different styles of example of replacing element by using slicing, by using indexing. I hope this concept is very much clear to all of you. You at least practice it for 2 to 3 times, then it become easy for you, right? So now I'm concluding here. In the next video I will discuss about one more mutable operation is there, deletion of the element from the list. I mean removal of the element. Insertion over, inserting is over, replacing is over. Now deleting is pending. So in the next video I will discuss. I conclude here. Till then, take care and bye.